Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'll be turning a crafting pumpkin into this beautiful floral arrangement. Let's bring those fall vibes to life. So here are the items I'll be using today. I have my florals, and these I got at Michael's, and I really love the combination of the colors, that they weren't like directly orange or yellow, but still very fall. I have my crafting pumpkin, and it's 9 inches, and I also got this at Michael's. You can also use a real pumpkin if that's your preference, and you can also use real florals. And here I have my floral foam, and this I got at the dollar store. The pumpkin was also available in different sizes. They had a small, medium, and large, and this one is the medium size. I'm going to start by cutting my floral foam. I'm going to cut it a little less than half, and that is going to be good enough for this project. And if you have floral foam that you've used before, you can also reuse it for this floral arrangement. I'm going to be preparing my florals now. I'm going to be cutting the stems. I'm not going to be cutting them too short because I can always adjust the length later on. And if you're going to be using real florals, the process is going to be the same. You will have to still cut the stems. The only difference is that your floral foam, you will soak the foam in water before adding the florals to it, just to maintain their freshness and how long they stay. And I'm just showing you right here how great the color combination is. I'm telling you, Michael's never fails when it comes on to getting flowers. Okay, so now we're going to be prepping our pumpkin. We're going to start by adding the floral foam to the stem of the pumpkin. Now, some people would prefer to cut the stem off and make a circle on the top and pop the floral foam in that circle, but I didn't want to cut the pumpkin. I can always reuse it or do something else with it, so I choose to add the floral foam to the top of the stem. We're going to begin by adding our focal flowers. So these are your larger blooms that will stand out the most. I like to place mine in the center and then work around it and add the other flowers around it. Next up, we're going to be adding our maple leaves. We're going to be adding our smaller blooms. We're going to be adding any berries around the focal flowers. So this gives your arrangement that lush, layered fall look. And we want it to look full from all angles, so don't be afraid to play with height and color. The variety is definitely what makes this pop. While adding the flowers to the arrangement, I'm also readjusting the stems to get the look that I'm going for. And just a quick reminder, guys, if you are liking this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'm just going to continue adding my flowers until the arrangement is full. And always just remember to take a step back and check and make sure that it's full. And if there are any gaps, you can always add extra flowers to make sure that it's full from all angles. So there you have it, guys, a beautiful fall pumpkin floral arrangement that's going to be perfect for your table, your entryway, or as a cozy fall centerpiece. And this is how it looked on my entryway table, and I think it looks great. I love fall. I love the colors. It's just cozy and warm. Let me know where you would put your arrangement. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you will enjoy the beautiful fall season and the changes that comes with fall, and I will catch you in the next video.